So one of the things I think that's helped me through my journey as well too, and I would like to hear your side of it, is having the support system around you to allow you to go through, I call it the great dismantling, is part of this, taking all these old narratives, all these old stories and breaking them apart and reworking in a new way of being through your nervous system as well. But how did this go for you? Like, I know you have a family, you have a support system. How did this go for you, you going through your process and having support on the other side?
Yeah, that's a difficult one. I think the support system is huge. I think we find, our chosen family when we go through this, and we can lose a lot of friends and family that we felt like were on our sides. When we start to choose ourselves and showing up in a different way, that can make other people uncomfortable, and it can make them, they want the old version of us because maybe they benefited from it or kept some kind of peace because of it. And so with me, with my family, there's early developmental trauma that I wasn't aware of that was causing a lot of the symptoms and survival responses that I learned. It came from those early environments. And when I brought that up to my family, it was not accepted. It was kind of what I learned eventually is it was dismissed and I guess gaslit. And it made me question my own reality. And so when I saw that when I was authentic in myself and expressed myself with my friends, it was okay. And with some of my family members, it was not. And so there were some difficult decisions where ultimately I went no contact for a couple of years with family members. And luckily we've been able to patch things up. But I had to choose myself, and I had to surround myself by people that were gonna meet the healthier version of me, that supported me. And I was lucky enough that I had so many good friends around me. And through the journey of going no contact, my family and I have repaired that relationship and worked through so much, and it wasn't gonna be possible without me having a safe space to express myself authentically and to be me and to work on the wounds that were driving a lot of the dysfunction. And I think we all healed through it. But that takes choosing yourself as much as it takes choosing good people around you. I had digital mentors in the beginning where I was listening to good podcasts and reading lots of books, and eventually in communities to where I learned how to heal the nervous system and to be a practitioner with my mentor, Irene Lyon, and all the girls that were in the mentorship that I was in. And it was like a breath of fresh air to have someone accept me for who I'm at, where I'm at, who I am. And instead of telling me, that's wrong or that's bad, and to support me showing up more authentically